very good evening, everyone. And thank you very, very much for this excellent. I don't have words to express how wonderful the event was, the much awaited event after 3 years of online celebrations. My heartfelt thanks to everybody from the bottom of my heart, and in this, our chairperson, Mrs. Malhotra, Monica, and my entire family joins you in thanking from the bottom of our hearts. You're truly an MBD family, and I cherish every moment of working with you. We at MBD have inherited a legacy. Legacy. What is legacy? It's planting seeds in a garden you never get to see. The story that people tell about you when you're gone, not when you're alive. Carving your name in the hearts of people and not on the tombstone. Things you do for yourself. When you're gone, everyone remembers everything that you've done and how you touched their lives. Yes, our founder, my father, Shri Ashok Kumar Malhotra ji, actually left behind a legacy which each one of us remember every day, every moment of our lives. He was a remarkable individual, dynamic leader, brilliant businessman, and a tenacious innovator. He had an unwavering commitment to progress. He was an alchemist who could turn obstacles into opportunities. His approach to business went beyond profit, aiming to create a meaningful difference in the lives of people. He left an impactful change in MBD Group and the society as a large. As we continue to thrive and prosper, it's important today that on his 79th birth anniversary, we reflect on his values, his vision, and the foundation of the MBD Group. Let's reaffirm our commitment to the founder's legacy and fuel it with enthusiasm and dedication. Our founder's kindness, wisdom, generosity resonated with many, forming a legacy that continues to grow, nurturing and cherishing his life's work. His journey wasn't easy. The bigger challenge that he faced, the more courageous he became. The more daunting the difficulties, the more adamant he was to achieve his milestones. He started from scratch. His determination, his faith, and his mad desire to achieve and to succeed always lived with him. He dared to dream and dared to dream big. Today, I promise you, my MBD family, I see in each one of you are born with a potential. Each one of you are born with the goodness and trust, with ideals, with dreams, with greatness, and the wings to fly. Let's not crawl. Let's achieve the skies. Let's go beyond and achieve and grow the legacy that our founder has established for ourselves. Today, MBD is not just a group of individuals. We are a force for a positive change and progress. I'm proud to be a part of this exceptional team. Our business ventures have grown. MBD has grown. MBD has evolved, it has expanded, and it has diversified. I remember this very, very powerful saying, and it is very close to my heart as well. Someone said, "To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist. That is all." We are here not to exist, but to live every moment of our lives. We need to be extraordinary. We need to have the passion, the wherewithal to achieve what we want to achieve. When I look back, it is important that we close our eyes and think deep and wish that I live more. I give more happiness to myself and my family. I know everybody how precious it is to be with your colleagues, with your family, and we should cherish every moment of it. We should not give up on our dreams. We should not give it up as easy as probably someone just across. We also need to ask a few fundamental questions. What does my life mean? Have I made any impact? Do I matter to anybody? I also need to ask a few questions. What is important to me? What dreams do I have? And I need to go and get them. We don't need to wait for anybody. If I miss the target, at least when I think back, I should look back and feel proud of the fact that I at least tried. This is the legacy which our founder father has left behind. He's left a magical legacy behind such that we keep our heads high. We don't lose. We keep on fighting. We get over our doubts. We seem powerful enough but yet content in our hearts. And we live each and every moment such that each one of you leave a unique legacy behind. Let's take a pledge at MBD, that today we live and breathe the values, the culture, the ethos, and the vision of our founder and take his legacy forward. And yet in this legacy, create our own unique legacy such that everybody remembers us even if we are not there in this world. Thank you very much. I feel so privileged and so touched that despite these number of years that our founder father, my father, is no longer physically there in this world, but we cherish his presence, his warmth, his love, his affection in everything that we do. And we remember him with so much of love and affection. I see my founder, my father in each one of you. He's not one, but he's many. He's everybody. He's the entire MBD group. Thank you, MBDians. I see Mr. Malhotra in each one of you. He's immortal because of you. We love you. Thank you so much. A round of applause again and a big bow to you all. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. Woo! Blessings to everybody and blessings to each soul, each character, each one's vision in which I see my father. And let's make a pledge to make him proud, to make you proud, to make your families proud, and live your own legacy. God bless. See you next year.